Am I the only one that didn't know how trade worked before money? Imagine a world without money. A world where every transaction is a direct exchange of goods and services. You are a farmer who grows wheat. Your fields are golden and abundant, and you have more wheat than you could ever eat. You need new shoes, but the cobbler only wants chickens, not wheat. The cobbler's workshop is filled with the smell of leather and the sound of tools. You must find someone willing to trade chickens for your wheat, then trade those chickens for shoes. This means navigating the bustling marketplace, negotiating with various traders. This is bartering, the oldest form of exchange. It's a system that dates back to the earliest human societies. Bartering was how people traded for thousands of years. It was a fundamental part of daily life, from small villages to large trading posts. It worked, but it had problems. Frustration often arose when trades couldn't be made. Finding someone who wants what you have and has what you want is difficult. The marketplace could be chaotic, with people shouting their offers. Agreeing on a fair trade is also tricky. What one person values highly, another might not. A chicken might be worth a bushel of wheat, but what about a pair of shoes? The value of goods was subjective and often led to disputes. These challenges limited trade and economic growth. Many potential trades fell through, leaving people without the goods they needed. People could only trade within their small communities. This isolation restricted the variety of goods available. The invention of money would change everything. It provided a common measure of value, simplifying transactions and expanding trade networks. People needed a better system. They needed something everyone valued and could easily exchange. This led to the invention of money. Early forms of money included shells, beads, and salt. Eventually, societies settled on precious metals like gold and silver. These metals were scarce, durable, and easily divisible. This made them ideal for use as money. Gold and silver coins became the standard for trade for centuries. The use of coins simplified trade and facilitated economic growth. People could trade with anyone, anywhere, as long as they used the same currency. This led to the development of larger and more complex economies. Money continued to evolve. Paper money emerged as a lighter and more portable alternative to heavy coins. Governments issued paper money promising to redeem it for gold or silver on demand. In the 20th century, paper money transitioned to fiat currency. Fiat currency is not backed by a physical commodity like gold. Instead, its value is derived from the government that issued it. People trust their government to maintain the currency's value. The latter half of the 20th century saw the rise of electronic money. Credit cards and debit cards allowed people to make purchases without carrying cash. Electronic transfers and online banking further digitized financial transactions. Despite its evolution, traditional money has limitations. Governments and financial institutions control the creation and flow of money. This centralized control can lead to problems. Governments can print more money, devaluing the currency and causing inflation. They can also freeze accounts or restrict access to the financial system. This can be problematic for individuals and businesses, especially in countries with unstable governments or economies. Furthermore, billions of people worldwide lack access to traditional banking services. This limits their ability to participate in the global economy. These limitations paved the way for a new form of money: cryptocurrency. Section 5, the birth of Bitcoin, a digital revolution. In 2008, a mysterious person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper. This paper proposed a new electronic cash system called Bitcoin. Bitcoin was revolutionary because it was decentralized. Bitcoin operates on a global network of computers, not a central bank or government. This makes it resistant to censorship and control. No single entity can manipulate the Bitcoin supply or freeze accounts. Bitcoin's launch in 2009 marked the beginning of the cryptocurrency era. It presented a new way to think about and manage money, free from the constraints of traditional financial systems. Section 6. What is cryptocurrency? Understanding the basics. Cryptocurrency is digital money. It exists only online. You can use it to buy goods and services just like regular money, but there are key differences. Cryptocurrency uses cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Cryptography is a method of protecting information and communications through the use of codes. Unlike traditional currencies which are issued by governments, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. No single authority controls them. This makes them resistant to government interference or manipulation. Section 7. The Blockchain Explained, a Digital Ledger in the Sky. In this chapter, we will delve into the fascinating world of blockchain technology and understand how it underpins the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum rely on a revolutionary technology called blockchain. This technology ensures that all transactions are secure, transparent, and immutable. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions. Unlike traditional ledgers, which are often centralized and controlled by a single entity, blockchain is decentralized. It is distributed across a vast network of computers known as nodes, making it incredibly secure and transparent. Each node has a copy of the entire blockchain, ensuring that no single point of failure exists. Imagine a digital book where every transaction is meticulously recorded. This book is accessible to everyone on the network, providing a high level of transparency. Each page of this digital book represents a block, and these blocks are linked together in chronological order, forming a continuous chain. This chain of blocks is what we refer to as the blockchain. It is a continuously growing list of records, called blocks, which are securely linked together using cryptographic principles. Every time a transaction occurs, it is verified by the network and then added to a block. This verification process ensures the integrity and authenticity of the transaction. Once the block is filled with verified transactions, it is added to the blockchain and broadcast to the entire network. This process is known as mining in the context of cryptocurrencies. This decentralized and transparent nature of blockchain makes it nearly impossible to alter or tamper with the transaction history, providing a robust and secure system for digital transactions. Section 8. How cryptocurrencies work. Transactions and mining. Let's say you want to send Bitcoin to a friend. You open your digital wallet app and enter the amount you wish to send. Your digital wallet creates a transaction request, which includes details like the recipient's address and the amount of Bitcoin. This request is then broadcast to the entire network of computers known as nodes that support the Bitcoin network. These computers, called miners, work to verify and add your transaction to a block. They play a crucial role in the network. Miners solve complex mathematical problems, known as proof of work, to validate transactions and ensure the network's security. Once the block is filled with verified transactions, it is added to the blockchain, a public ledger of all transactions. The transaction is now complete, and your friend receives the Bitcoin in their digital wallet, confirmed by the network. This entire process ensures transparency and prevents double spending, making the system reliable and secure. As a reward for their efforts, miners receive newly created cryptocurrency, which incentivizes them to continue maintaining the network. This process, known as mining, is essential for maintaining the integrity and security of the cryptocurrency network, ensuring it remains decentralized and robust. Section 9. The different types of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and beyond. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, but it's not the only one. Thousands of cryptocurrencies exist, each with its own unique features and purposes. Some cryptocurrencies focus on privacy, others on speed or scalability. Some aim to improve upon Bitcoin's design, while others explore entirely new applications of blockchain technology. Ethereum, for example, enables the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications. Litecoin offers faster transaction times than Bitcoin. Ripple focuses on facilitating cross-border payments between financial institutions. Section 10. The potential of cryptocurrency, transforming finance and more. Cryptocurrency has the potential to revolutionize finance and other industries. Its decentralized nature offers several advantages over traditional systems. Cryptocurrency can make financial transactions faster, cheaper, and more accessible. It can empower individuals and businesses by providing greater control over their finances. Beyond finance, blockchain technology can revolutionize supply chain management, voting systems, digital identity, and more. Its transparency and security can increase efficiency and reduce fraud in various sectors. Section 11. The future of money. Is cryptocurrency the answer? The future of money is uncertain. Cryptocurrency is still a relatively new technology, and its long-term impact remains to be seen. However, its potential is undeniable. Cryptocurrency challenges the traditional financial system and offers a glimpse into a future where money is more open, accessible, and equitable. Whether it will fully replace traditional currency or coexist alongside it is a question for the future. One thing is clear, cryptocurrency is here to stay. Its continued development and adoption will likely shape the future of finance and beyond. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so that you are alerted when we release new videos. And if you like this video, you'll likely enjoy the 2 videos now appearing on your screen. Go ahead and click on one of them now.